Scott Brown here. Welcome to another exciting episode of Scott Brown Carpentry. One foot. Alright, welcome to another exciting episode of Scott Brown Carpentry. We are going to use this hinge jig today. We've got the perfect hinges for it. The only issue is we don't have the perfect router bit. So I'm going to find out if we can get the perfect router bit.
See which one it was.
Alright, here we go.
You all there, bro?
I'm good, mate.
You have anything?
What would you suggest for this? Bad luck. No router bits that will fit that jig that Kenny made for me. But Mike at Only Hunger Power Tools is gonna see what he can do. Traditional method, bro. You can still use a router, I guess. Back at the Only Hunger job. Well guys, you can't tell by looking at it, but it stinks of paint in here. The paint is just finished. So now we can go around putting the little rose heads on all the door locks, and now the door still closes after all that paint. Beautiful. Just putting another lock on here. We didn't have enough locks before the painter did his thing. Excuse me. No rattle or anything. I think a beauty. And old Pato here has hung his door.
Voila.
His candy coloured door.
Confectionery door.
Putting on the lock there. And then he's going to do the big contract. The cat flap door installation.
Boom.
Oh, so how did you do that? Because people might ask. I didn't film you hanging the door.
Oh.
Which is probably the most interesting thing today, but you pretty much just lined it up with the old hinge holes there.
Pretty much, eh? It's hard to explain how I do it a little bit different to you, so.
No, controversial. Painters have painted everything. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. So we're just putting one of these melamine shelves in each wardrobe. And I used to struggle cutting this stuff. But not anymore, ladies and gentlemen. Since getting a track saw. You've never used a track saw before? This really is a world of wonder.
We'll put the big guns out, eh?
Got the big guns, mate? Then all you do is you grab that shelf, you try and just scratch the paint, and then there it is. Wow. There it is. And it goes. And then this thing here is going to go on the front of the shelf.
Oh,
it's going to go on the front of the shelf and screw down like that, and then you hang your clothes off here. But I'll put it on and you can see it better when it's on. I always like to have the wardrobe door before I commit to putting the wardrobe top track in, because I like to see how they intend it to work. This is the top of the door here. That's a plastic sort of guide, I guess is one way of putting it, and that's designed to sit within this track here, and that plastic guide just keeps it in the center, so the only thing that is touching the track is the plastic. It just needs a bit of adjustment, which you do around here by adjusting these. Easy peasy. Screw up and screw down. Alright, wardrobe done. Wardrobe number one.
I mean, do we though? It seems to work fine and stuff.
Time to redeem ourselves. Alright, kickflip with real shoes on this time. Lightning. That's a better one. Went a bit crooked.
We're just trying to get a video of Claudio going through the cat door, but he's not gonna behave.